Hi there, Carl Massy here, your tour guide for today, your host for the Ignite Your Inner Greatness program and your coach if you care to join me. I just wanted to show you what the program looks like online. And I'm looking at this on an iMac computer, so if you look at it on a tablet, on a phone, it's going to look slightly different, but the general essence is going to be the same. And just a reminder, I did a 30-day program. It was on CDs at the time, back in 1999. Huge shift. So what I wanted to do was create something online a little bit more interactive. And obviously you've got different ways to work with me, whether it's doing it self-paced, which is what I did back in 1999, or we have a group program and just keep an eye out for the dates for that. Or you can go deep dive and work one-on-one with me. But all of those programs and all of those options get to see the same thing. And you'll get access to the program before the start of day one. So you get to go through all of this welcome pieces. And as you go into these, for example, your preparation, there may be a small video here, or there might be text here and downloads over here on the right-hand side. If we go into the different categories, again, this preparation is before day one. So there's some preparation there around beliefs and goals that you get to work through, and that's powerful stuff. The goal setting stuff and the belief shift work is powerful before you even get to day one. So opportunity for shift is significant in that piece and time. Then you drop into day one of the daily rituals. Well, day one is about daily rituals. And for example, with this post here, there's a video, a webinar, there's some text here, and then you can download the actual MP3 so you can listen to that offline. There's a personal journal there. If you want to just listen to the audio, you can just click on the audio there. So you're going to see those. And then you get into the actual day 1 to day 30 of the tips. And again, they will have just a very short video by myself, and then all of the tips are audio tips. So there's just an audio recording there, or again, you can download it so you can watch it offline. And the final piece to support you in your ongoing development is a whole host of bonuses, different strategies that I've used and I work with my clients on, different presentations I've heard, and different teachers that I highly recommend. So all of those are there. So there you go. That's the back end of the Ignite Your Inner Greatness, the 30-day challenge. If you have any questions about that, don't hesitate to ask. And again, there's more details of the program in the website page there. So wherever you are on this gorgeous, beautiful planet of ours, have an absolutely fantastic day. I hope to be working with you soon, and take care.